Hello guys, welcome to the market channel. It's good to have you again today. So in this video we're talking about the top 5 altcoins I'm expecting to explode as the bull run continues. I'm expecting it's going to explode as the bull run continues. So before we continue, please, if you haven't subscribed to this channel and you're watching this video right now, please kindly subscribe for more content and also put on the notification, and also don't forget to like this video now. And also, before I continue, some people requested for some videos or for some content in the comment section about some things. I've done the video, but I will start to upload it maybe by Friday or Saturday. So I'll be uploading it gradually. So I've recorded all the videos, so I will upload them. Don't worry. So now let's continue. Let's quickly look at the Bitcoin chart. Currently, the Bitcoin chart is around um 39,770, and the Bitcoin has been battling with this resistance of $40,000. It has not even kissed 41,000 level. The highest it has gone was 49, and it's created another support and this region which is trying to hold that level constantly. It does not want to drop it below. But looking at the way Bitcoin has moved from the right of 29,000 up to this level on a straight of like 8 days, it has printed 8 green candles. Do you understand? And in which pullback is inevitable, in which I'm expecting Bitcoin to pull back a little bit, even if it's just to maybe 36,000 or 35,000, then break above. And it's possible for Bitcoin not to give a chance for a pullback and to break up above. But irrespective, the main thing we are looking at is a break of 41,000 level. That's the target. So one Bitcoin break give us a clear breakout for 41,000 level, then I expect you to jump into this coin trading the breakouts. And the first coin I'll be talking about is Litcoin. Litcoin has been a sleeping giant, and which has tried all its possible best to attain a level of above $400 before the drop of Bitcoin, and currently is now at $141, and which is also has a resistance of around $150. So if Bitcoin is breaking above 41,000 level, that means this Litcoin should be breaking above this particular resistance also. Then from there you can see that's a leg up from that particular resistance to its previous all-time high. That's around that's around 154%. Do you understand? And I give you some price prediction about Litcoin before this drop. So now the next coin we're looking at is Cardano. That's ADA. I've always been in love with ADA, and I've make many videos on ADA, Cardano, and even right before the pump and everything, before it reached this $2.5, I've been a friend of ADA, and I've dropped it signal from my channel, telling that ADA is going to be $3 at least. But even though before the drop it reached $2.5, but I'm still sure that $3 of ADA is still sure. Even that $3 is still small, but I'm telling you that at least it's going to be $3 in this bull run. Now, Cardano currently is around 1.28, but it tried to make some correction around this region and bounce a little bit, and currently around here now. So, and it has a resistance above also around 1.5, 1.4. So if Cardano is able to break that level, then you see Cardano going to kiss all-time high again. But I'm very sure it's going to break the level. You might only see the worst case, you see the correction coming to 1.18 again. Now, another one is VeChain. VeChain has been in this region trying to break out. It's consolidating in this region, and it's forming some breakout pattern, and in which we are expecting a breakout very soon, either to the upside or to the downside. But VeChain reached the all-time high of 0.27, but currently it's around the 0.08. look at how cheap this coin is. And I was saying something, that's 240%. I was saying something in this bull run that I'm expecting VChain to reach at least 0.5 in this bull run. And don't forget that's still a huge amount of gains if you're buying VChain from this region. So that's good. And also, I don't want to waste our time. And also VChain has the resistance around that 0.09. So once that level is broken, we expect VChain for a leg up. But the main thing is looking at Bitcoin breaking the 41k level. Once Bitcoin breaks 41,000 level, jump into these coins, I'm telling you. And once Bitcoin give us a clear breakout and buy them. Now the fourth one I was talking about is Silica. Silica also, I said at least I'm expecting Silica to reach $1 in this bull run, and it has not been able to achieve that much. The highest it reached was 0.25, and it's still around 0.076 currently. So there is still chance for Silica to because it has a lot of room to place to the upside. Now it has the resistance around the 0.09 also, and if that level is broken, that's a big resistance, just like the resistance for the Bitcoin, which is 41k level. When that level is broken, we see a huge move in the upward direction. It's also trying to break up, trying to form some pattern. So like that's the pendant triangle. Now also, now I'm talking about this Matic. Matic. I've been a fan of Matic, and most people have benefited with Matic from this channel. When they enter my trade, when I make the call around when Matic was still below $1, and I made the call then. That was when Matic was, I guess, around 0.2 something or 1.8. I made the call then, and Matic did give us a lot of huge gains in the market, and it was so huge. It was so huge, and I was so happy with Matic actually. Over 1,000% the Matic did for us. So it was huge. It was huge gain. And also, Matic currently is around the 1.0, and since marketing is around 1.0, it's also forming some formation of a breakout that wants to break out either to the upside or to the downside. You can see that here. You can see it here. So it's forms of formation. So, and which you can also see it's coming down a little bit to 0.94 again. So that for a proper correction before going up. And that's the fifth coin actually, but I would love to add these two extra, which is the ETC, which is the Ethereum Classic, and RUNE, RUNE. So those two coins I'm also bullish on. RUNE is a very, very good project in which I'm expecting to claim its worth $21 back. And if RUNE is claiming $21 back, guess how many profit? That's 281% profit, and which is very achievable. And also ETC also did very well before the drop, and it's also forming a breakout in which is expecting it to reach its all-time high of $179. So that's like close to 80 something percent profit. And also don't forget that I gave you some price prediction for ETC then, and you can also go back to my video and check them out. So don't forget, like I said, the videos that was requested by the members of this channel will be uploaded. And if you want any video to be done, maybe you don't understand anything and you want the video to be put up, just put it in the comment section below and I will get back to you. So thank you very much for watching this video, and also don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed to this channel. And don't forget this coin, like I said, once Bitcoin break out of the 41,000 level, the resistance, the big resistance level, don't forget to get to this coin. And if Bitcoin is able to break out, give us a clean breakout, it might have a little pullback, a little retest. So in that retest, in that pullback, you might decide to get into the Bitcoin. But there's another strategy you can use, maybe in case if Bitcoin should pull back from this region, and maybe I'm expecting to pull back to another 35k or 36k, if you pull back to that region, you can use little amount of money, maybe like half of it, to get into the trade. And if it breaks above, use the remaining half to get into the trade also, so that's to safeguard in case if it decides to start coming down to the downside again. So thank you very much for watching this video, and thank you for being a member of this channel. I would love you to subscribe, and don't forget to put on the notification. Thank you very much. We see you again. God bless you.